Hi guys, would you like to generate a sales report using pivot table in MS Excel but don't know how to do this with screen reader? Look no further. Watch this video till the end. In this video, I will share with you a step-by-step guide how to use pivot table in MS Excel. Ratul this side from Accessible Computing. Let's get started. I'm using Office 365 along with Windows 11 and JAWS 2023 as screen reader because JAWS always works well with MS Office products, especially MS Excel. Here I have one report with the column headers
Salesperson.
Amount
C1.
Amount and
Item B1.
item,
Salesperson A1.
salesperson,
Item B1.
item
Amount C1.
and amount. So now what is pivot table? Here we have seen three data.
Item salesperson. Item B1. Amount C1.
Under salesperson we have listed 20 salespersons. Under item we have various products, and under amount we have listed those price.
Item salesperson. Raju A2.
So first person name is Raju and he sold
Item mobile B2.
mobile
Amount 12,500.
and the
C2.
amount is 12,500. So let's say this is the report for a specific month. You can also create another column for month, but I didn't. So as per your preference, as per your scenario, you can do that.
Item salesperson.
So after Raju there are another six salespersons. That's the next.
Ravi A3.
Ravi.
Item headphone B3.
So Ravi sold a headphone of
Amount 500 C3.
500 rupees. So now I want to know what is the total value of every salesperson in this month. Based on that, for example, we will give them a rank. How do you know that? In just single click or by using any formula or method? If I want to do it manually, it takes long time. So we use pivot table. Let's learn how to use this pivot table. First of all, you need to select the data range. Here we will select all data. So I'm pressing Ctrl A to select all data.
Select A1. Salesperson C21. 314,656.
Now go to Insert menu by clicking Alt plus N.
Alt N. Upper ribbon expanded. Insert tab.
Press Tab until you hear the pivot table option.
Leaving menu. Share submenu. Upper ribbon. Insert table. Recommended. Pivot table split button 1 of 3.
Press Enter here.
Enter. Leaving menus. Pivot table from table arrange dialog. Pivot table from table arrange. Select a table arrange. Table / arrange. Alt plus T.
So this is selected. Please don't change this. Now pressing Tab again.
Choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. New worksheet radio button checked 1 of 2 to check.
There are two options. New worksheet and I'm pressing down to the ones.
Location. Alt. New worksheet location. Exist. New worksheet radio location. Alt plus L.
And another is existing worksheet, but that is not spoken by the screen reader. Some accessibility issues is there.
New worksheet radio button checked.
So the safe way is choose new worksheet. Then press Tab.
Choose whether you want to analyze multiple tables. Add this data to the data model checkbox not checked.
Again press Tab.
OK button to activate.
Click on OK button. Once you click on OK button, your focus will move to a new sheet and the cell will be A3, where you need to apply the pivot table. So I'm pressing Enter on it.
Enter. Sheet 2. End of sheet C21. 63 cells. 0 objects. Blank A3. Blank A3.
So you can listen that A3 is now selected. So here you need to choose the fields. Now here you need to add which fields you want. For this, press F6.
F6. Sheet 2 tab.
Again.
With F6. Pivot table fields. Type field name to search for edit.
Pivot table fields. Here you can choose the field options or fields by pressing up arrow down arrow. Fields are nothing, just your column headers of a main sheet. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Salesperson, checkbox unchecked.
Salesperson. Then
Item, checkbox unchecked.
item.
Amount, checkbox unchecked.
Amount. We want the report according to salesperson and amount, right? So first we need to go to salesperson.
Item, salesperson, checkbox unchecked.
Press application here.
Applications, context menu to navigate, press upper.
Now we want to see the results, which means we want to see all the name of salespersons in a row wise. So we need to add this field as row labels. I'm pressing down the row.
Add to row labels A.
Press enter here.
Enter, leaving menus, row labels A3, salesperson, checkbox unchecked, salesperson, checkbox checked.
Now before it was unchecked, but now it is checked. I'm pressing down arrow.
Item, checkbox unchecked.
Item we don't want right now. I'm pressing down arrow again.
Amount, checkbox unchecked.
Amount. So you want amount also, but we want to see the amount according to the salesperson. So that's why I'm pressing application key here.
Applications, context menu.
Pressing
to
down
navigate.
arrow.
Add to row labels. Add to
No.
column labels A.
No.
Add to values A.
Add to values because we want to see the value. So I'm pressing enter here.
Enter, row labels A3, leaving menus, amount, check.
Done. The report is created. Now let's check the report. Press Shift F6 twice.
Shift F6, row labels A3, no filter applied.
You will return to your work area. Now see,
Init row labels A3,
row labels.
no filter applied.
and another column header.
Sum of amount, B3,
Sum of
column
amount.
header.
So sum of amount is automatically added. Now below of row labels,
Row
let's see,
Anil A4, column header.
Anil. So it is sorted from A to Z. Below that,
Anjali A5,
Anjali,
Madhav A6,
Madhav.
and Anil A4.
So first is Anil. So let's see how many sales or what is the sales value or what is the sales volume of Anil for this month.
38,500, B4.
Okay, this is the sales volume.
Anil A4.
Below that,
Anjali A5.
Anjali.
Top 252,522, B5.
this is her sales volume. Similarly, if you want to know that the product sales volume, which means instead of the salesperson, you want to get the result according to product, then you can able to understand which product was sold a lot in the previous month or the current month, whatever report you want. So if you want to do that, just go back to the pivot table fields by pressing F6 twice.
F6, amount, checkbox, more
Here.
amount, item, checkbox unchecked, salesperson, checkbox checked, item, salesperson, checkbox checked, add a slicer A, add to values A, add a item, checkbox unchecked,
So yes,
save item, applications,
Press
context
application here.
menu, add to row labels A, add to column label, add to values A,
okay. So if you want to add the values, you can add or
add to row labels A,
click on add to row labels.
enter 38,500,
Now come back. Let's see.
Shift F6, 38, Anil A4, row labels A, Anil mobile A5, column header, Anil A4, column
So
header.
see, both row labels is working. First, Anil data is there.
30 Anil mobile A5.
Then,
column
what is the sales volume of mobile?
38,500 mobile Anjali A6.
Anjali?
250 and laptop 252,005 laptop A.
Okay. So this is how you can use the pivot table to generate any sales report. If you find this content useful, don't forget to press the like button, and if you first time visit this channel, don't forget to press the subscribe button, press the bell icon, choose all notification to get latest videos from our channel. Have any doubts? Feel free to ask into the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.